Hello everyone, welcome to our engine factory. We mainly manufacture Hyundai engines, Toyota engines, Volkswagen engines, GM engines, Mitsubishi engines, and Chinese cars, such as Chery, BYD, Livon, JAC, and other full-range engines. We have 18 years of experience in research and production of automotive power systems. Our engines are all assembled with brand new parts. Our parts are all brand suppliers or suppliers of domestic homes. All our products are quality tested to meet and exceed industry standards. All parts listed for your vehicle on our website are guaranteed to be of good quality. The auto parts we sell are all provided with a 1-year warranty, and many parts have a longer warranty period. The most important thing is that all are provided free of charge, in order to meet the needs of our customers. Our supply chain has been developed and improved. Now we work closely with more than 2,000 factories in China engaged in OEM and after-sales parts to meet the needs of different customers. At the same time, we work with cooperative factories to develop products to make their prices more reasonable and the quality to a higher level. Our goal is to pursue excellent quality and create a world brand. Please feel free to contact us, and we would like to have a pleasant cooperation with you.